Can you really get a solid camping tent for under $100? Or are you just buying a glorified trash bag? Spoiler, some of these budget tents are genuinely impressive. In this video, I'm rounding up the 12 best budget camping tents under $100, covering setup time, weather protection, space, and durability. If you're a beginner or just want a reliable backup tent, there's something here for you. Let's get into it. Number 1. Coleman Sundome 2-person camping tent. Starting with a name everyone knows, the Coleman Sundome 2-person camping tent is a classic 3-season shelter built from durable polyester with a solid rainfly included. It weighs 7.5 pounds, which is reasonable for a 2-person tent you're tossing in the trunk. The rectangular shape gives you a usable floor layout without wasted corners. It's simple, it's proven, and Coleman's been doing this for decades. If you want something reliable without overthinking it, this is the safe pick for beginners. Next up is a tent that practically sets itself up. The Nightcat pop-up 2-person camping tent springs open in about 3 seconds, no poles to fumble with at sunset. It's got a 2,000mm waterproof rating and weighs just 6.6 pounds, with fiberglass poles for added structure. The round shape gives decent headroom at 120 centimeters tall, and the steel stakes keep it locked down. It's a 3-season tent that's perfect for festival camping or quick overnighters, a great choice if you hate complicated setups. Coming in at number 3, another pop-up, but with way more room. The Londtren 4-person easy pop-up tent fits 4 people, offers 60.7 square feet of floor space, and uses lightweight aluminum poles. It comes in 3 color combos and has 2 doors for easy entry. It's rated for 4 seasons, which is impressive at this price point. The polyethylene floor adds extra ground protection, and 4 guy lines help with stability and wind. Solid value if you need a family-sized tent that sets up fast. Number 4. Camel Crown 6-person camping tent. Time to size up. The Camel Crown 6-person camping tent is a dome-style shelter rated for 4 seasons with a waterproof coating and built-in ventilation to keep condensation down. It weighs about 10.68 pounds, which is fair for a tent this size. The 59.1-inch floor width is a bit snug for 6 adults, but it works great for a family of 4 with gear. The dome shape handles wind well, and the ventilation keeps it breathable on warmer nights. A strong pick for budget family camping. Number 5. UNP 6-person camping tents. Halfway through our best budget camping tents under $100, and this one brings serious space. The UNP 6-person camping tent boasts 90 square feet of floor area with a 78-inch peak height, so most people can stand up inside. It assembles in about 3 minutes and has 5 windows for airflow. The rainfly uses 185T polyester, and the floor is a polyester-polyurethane blend for moisture protection. It also comes with a 1-year warranty, which adds peace of mind at this price. Best for groups who want room to spread out without breaking the bank. Number 6. Forceatt 3-person camping tent. Now let's go lighter. The Forceatt 3-person camping tent weighs just 2.5 kilograms and packs down small, great for backpackers on a budget. It's a 4-season tent with a serious PU 3000mm waterproof rating, plus windproof construction and solid ventilation. The 53.1-inch floor width is cozy for 2 people or perfect for 1 with extra gear space. Forceatt backs it with a 2-year warranty, which shows real confidence in the build. This is the one to grab if you want lightweight performance at a budget price. Number 7. Loyeahcamp 4-person camping tent. Moving on, here's a tent with a trick up its sleeve. The Loyeahcamp 4-person camping tent features blackout material that blocks sunlight, so you can actually sleep past sunrise. It has a 3,000 millimeter waterproof rating and sets up in about 5 minutes with fiberglass poles. The floor measures roughly 84 by 92 inches, giving 4 people a comfortable layout. It comes with 11 steel stakes and 7 guy lines for solid wind resistance, plus a 6-month warranty. A standout pick for campers who value their sleep. Next up, a tent built to handle serious weather. The Happy Travel 6-person camping tent uses a dual-layer fabric system, PE fabric with PU 4000 mm on the floor and 190T polyester at PU 3000 mm for the body. That's one of the highest waterproof ratings in this lineup. It weighs 8.5 pounds and offers a 94.5-inch floor width, giving you plenty of room for 4 to 6 people. It comes in black, green, and orange. If rain is your biggest worry, this tent punches way above its price class. Number 9. CAMPROS CP 6-person camping tent. Getting close to the end, but this one deserves your attention. The CAMPROS CP 6-person camping tent is a dome-style shelter with a 7-foot floor width and a 1,000 millimeter coating with fully sealed seams. It weighs about 6.2 kilograms, keeping it manageable for car camping. The 3-season design handles spring through fall without issues, and the dome shape sheds rain nicely. CAMPROS has built a loyal following in the budget tent space, and this model is a big reason why. A dependable all-rounder for casual campers. Number 10. BISINNA 4-person camping tent. Here's a lightweight option with premium-feeling materials. The BISINNA 4-person camping tent uses 7001 space aluminum poles, which are lighter and stronger than standard fiberglass. It has a 2,000 millimeter waterproof rating and weighs only 4.7 pounds, seriously light for a 4-person tent. The 82.67-inch floor width gives you decent space, and it's backed by a 2-year warranty. It comes in blue and orange, and it's designed for spring, summer, and fall use. Best for campers who want strong materials without the heavy pack weight. Number 11. EchoSmile 3 to 5-person camping tents. Almost done, and this one goes big. The EchoSmile 3 to 5-person camping tent is a dome tent with a 2,000 millimeter PU waterproof coating and fully seam-taped construction. The floor area covers over 7,100 square inches, giving you real room for up to 5 people. Fair warning though, it weighs 18.2 pounds, so this is strictly a car camping tent. The 63-inch peak height lets you sit up comfortably inside. It comes in green, orange, and gray. A solid pick if you don't mind the weight and want maximum space for the money. Closing out our list with a versatile all-season option. The LENCE 3 to 4-person camping tent is rated for 4 seasons with a 2,000 millimeter waterproof rating, UV protection, and windproof design. It sets up in roughly 1 minute and includes a vestibule with 47.47 square feet of covered space. It has 2 doors, a dome style for wind resistance, and comes in emerald, azure, and orange. LENCE backs it with a 1-year warranty, and the quick setup is hard to beat. An excellent all-around tent for campers who want 4-season readiness on a budget. And that wraps up our look at the 12 best budget camping tents under $100. If I had to pick favorites, the Forceatt is unbeatable for lightweight backpacking, and the UNP 6-person offers the best space for the money. All links are down in the description. Hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more gear reviews. Which tent caught your eye? Drop a comment. I'd love to know. Happy camping!